Hi, today we are going to see how to add fonts in Photoshop. For adding fonts in your Photoshop, you have to download the fonts and you have to install it. So I'm going to my browser and I'm selecting a random font. You will find this font in this website. Here it is, and I'm choosing this. This one, and I'm gonna download it. My download is finished, so I'm opening it and I'm installing it. So my Magenta for bold font was installed. So if I now want to change the font of this shoe text, I will just simply search it here. Look, here is my Magenta font. So this is how you can add fonts in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.